Hello and welcome to Localazy. Today, I will show you how you can quickly translate your project into multiple languages. We will start with a simple file that contains all the texts you want to translate. I have already created a project in Localazy, so let's head straight into integrations. You can upload files quickly using the file drop area. However, if you want to save time in the long run, the CLI is the way to go. It helps you interact with Localazy from the command line and even automate all the steps. Let's set up the CLI. The documentation has all the steps you need for pretty much any platform, so it's easy to follow. All you need to do is create a Localazy JSON file in the root of your project and paste the configuration in it. Now install the CLI. Before running the upload command, make sure that you specify the path to your source language file. Great, now the content has been uploaded. You can see it in the interface here. Let's add some languages. Localazy allows you to pre-translate the selected languages with machine translations. You can pick your preferred provider and confirm. The good news is that fixing translations in Localazy is simple and fast. You can edit the translations from the translation table, or you can even hide strings you don't want to translate in the future. When it's all ready, I will download the translations. The CLI organizes everything into the specified path, so it's ready to use in my project. For more tips, you can check out developer.localizy.com. You will find information on how to hook Localazy into CI/CD pipelines for full automation, or if you need live updates without releases, use Localazy CDN. And that's it. Translating projects with Localazy is quick and easy. Thanks for watching.